Well, this is a gear stick with a pre-removed knob. As you can see, ring, knob. That's the adapter. It's quite solid in there. And that's the spring. Pretty simple. Just pry it open. Slide out. Right. 10mm diameter of the rod. One little tip I would recommend is put a cable tie I don't know if you can see it. There we go. But not just around these little stitches, these little flaps. What I did was, with a tiny knife, I just sliced edges just before the actual seam and push cable tie all the way through like that, and it gets the cable tie all the way to the edge of the gator, and basically it's not end up slipping off, which happened before. That's the original knob. That's the cap. As you can see, pop a screwdriver flat blade in there, pry it up, pops up, and then just hacksaw right down in the middle. And then once you get through the top bit with hacksaw, put a big flat blade in the middle and pry it left to right to give it a little room from inside, and that'll make the knob pop from the rod without a problem. There used to be a tubular section here that used to go inside that, which covered the spring. As you can see, the new knob has a smaller opening than the original one. That's the adapter I had to use as well. Sits freely in there, but once it goes on the rod, it actually expands a little bit, making the knob sit quite tight. There's no play. What I had to do is cut the tubular section off, because obviously it was heating the new knob when you were pulling up on the reverse, and I made up a flat, large plastic washer, glued it on to cover the hole, and then I found a smaller tube which was big enough or small enough outside diameter to go inside that, but small or big enough inside diameter to support the spring without friction. As you can see, the spring goes in, no friction. Make sure you install the knob, the new knob, high enough for the reverse to be engaged.